Hello everyone, it's Patty and happy Friday. I am so sorry that I didn't post for the past couple of weeks. Things got a little crazy and so I didn't get a chance to film any videos. But today I wanted to share with you an unboxing, and this is for one of my favorite subscription for planners, and this is from Happie Scrappie, Sam. And Sam is in Singapore and our kits ship from Asia and they are super adorable. She designs everything. She also has a ton of collabs and a ton of other cute stuff. Like if you love the sticker books, she has them customized with all these you know, your favorite sticker shops covers. So there's Two Little Bees one, there's Fox and Pip, there's Scribble Prints Co., Once More With Love, anything you want. And I have a few of those albums as well. So if you want to check out her shop, not just for subscriptions, she also has tons of other adorable stuff. But as I mentioned, so this is a monthly subscription box, and you get a lot, and the price is amazing because it's $25 including shipping. So one word that's something I want to point out is that even if it ships from Asia, actually she ships all her kits kind of like I'm assuming it's a container to a US address, and then they are you know, shipped to your home from the US address, so you get US tracking number, so you're not concerned if it's going to get lost overseas, etc. I have never had an issue. Nothing has ever been late, and I've been subscribing for a while. Now the kit does come in a variety of sizes, so if you're using you know, an A6, if you're using personal, etc., there is something for you. And also, if you do not use a traveler notebook, you can buy rings, etc., ring versions. She has a version for everyone. Now, one of the things that I love a lot about her kits is that they come in this gorgeous envelope, and this envelope is like very sturdy. It's a very, very thick kind of like cardstock that it's beautifully printed just like her papers. So it's a gusseted envelope. I actually keep all my envelopes and I use them for storage. I keep them all in a drawer where I have my previous kits, but you can also use them if you're going somewhere and you want to bring something with you. This will keep them nice and safe. And before you know, we look inside here, I wanted to show you how it arrives, your basically your package. So it comes in this bubble mailer, which keeps everything nice and safe, and again from a US address. And then the envelope itself is inside this clear envelope with a sticker that tells you which collection you're getting. And this one is the Constellation, which was the February one, and this is the size I pick, which is the Traveler Notebook B6, because you know, clearly that's the size that I use. Now if you actually wanted to, I was just looking at this envelope, you could turn this into a dashboard easy. You can just cut it you know, cut it in half and have it for a traveler notebook, or you know, split it in two. They are super cute, and her characters are super adorable. Look at this little kind of bear cup with I'm assuming it's a bubble tea, and then it says cuddles in a package, and the holographic foiling is gorgeous. And then here on this side you'll see the envelope, and when you open up the envelope, you'll get all the goodies that you get. And I think I was gonna say there are a couple of versions of our kits. I think you can also get a smaller version if you don't want to receive all the accessories. Now let me remove the plastic you know, out of sight so you guys don't have to like deal with it. But first thing first, you always get a pen, which is awesome because I love her pens. And this is a Constellation pen. I actually have one of these because I was lucky enough to sit at Sam's table at Go Wild last year, and this was the pen that came with it, and I adore this pen. I use it all the time. I actually have it, and it's super, it writes super well. And so I love that she always includes you know, always includes a pen. Let me take everything out. There we go. So here we go. So the first thing first, you get quite a bit of papers, and as you can tell, they're all like already cut you know, kind of to size, but this This theme is beautiful. So this is Constellation, clearly. Clearly Constellation, it's kind of upside down, but let's look at the designs. So this is already folded in half for you. So you just have to trim it down to size. So I like to have a B6 because sometimes I don't use a B6, I may use an A6, but I can still trim it down. The only issue is the insert, but you'll see. And this is this beautiful galaxy kind of background with this Once More With Love little guys over there. You can see them. And then it says Reach for the Stars, Love You to the Moon and Back, and it's adorable. And this is all in a holographic foiling. And the inside is similar, but it's not foiled, it's just a white printout. And I just love this. This is very beautiful. I'm thinking, I need to find a way, maybe do a new setup. But again, you get 2 of these. So these are already folded up. If you are not buying clearly the Tien version, you don't get it folded up. And then we get 2 more pieces of cardstock. And this is the same background with the beautiful silver holographic foiling. And we get bows from... These are the bows from Once More With Love. These are from Fox and Pip. And then on the inside, we get these adorable little bunnies. It's super sweet. Like her kits, her designs are super, like very, very sweet, very soft. I love them. So I just love it. And I love how it sparkles. It just really reminds me of the stars. And then we also get vellum. And let me see if I can, let's look at the first one. This vellum is gorgeous. It has the little stars and then the little bows. I just love this one. And it's, it's so hard to find cute vellum. I always say it. I never find anything in my store. And then this other one is basically the same pattern of the other paper, but in a vellum form. So once you stack them, on top of each other, you get this beautiful effect. I mean, it just like highlights even more kind of like the Constellation feel to it. Just love it. Then you do, depending on the size that you are ordering, you get a little insert. And this is an insert that it's always a collab, well, actually this is Winnie from Annie Plans Printables. So this is a gorgeous printed, super heavy paper. It's beautiful paper, and I love this little, little guy. This is something that I would use more for notes, and when I include them, I would put them in my, because this is not my favorite format. I always say my favorite format is from Annie, and it's always the 3 columns timed and dated, and that's my favorite one, and I will stick to it. But this is perfect for notes. And if you don't have a favorite style and you would just like to try something different, this is awesome. And I just love it. The quality of the printing is amazing because she uses really professional, grade everything, and so her products are amazing. And then we get to the stickers. So we get a ton of stickers. So first of all, we get these stickers in a traveler notebook style because I clearly ordered the TN. So this is folded here, so you can have it in your traveler notebook, and you get all these full boxes. So you get 8 full boxes, and then you get 4 half boxes, and I just love them. They are so adorable. This is gonna be so cute. Let me put it there. And then to coordinate with that, you get some checklists with the adorable bunny and the moon. And then you get 2 sheets of these cuties. And these are great. Like if I had my insert out, let me go get my insert. I would use them. You can use them to make bookmark actually, but I would kind of put them probably at the bottom of the page here, just to, there's so many of them. You can really go to town with these, but they are so adorable. So it's just like a little cup with a little bunny on top, and, silver foiling all the way. So this is the stickers that you get with it. And then we also get some more accessories, and let me get all out. Sorry guys. So here we go. Other things. First of all, how stinking adorable. I was looking at this, I was like, what is this? This is super cute. This is so this is metal, I think. So it's like usually these are the vinyl, kind of like things, but this feels No, it is vinyl. It is vinyl, but it looks like metal, and it's got the little constellation. I just love this. You can put it on your dashboard. You can put it on top of your planner. Super adorable. I actually will put it on the front of my planner if I had a cute, adorable little kind of like a galaxy themed. I need to check. I have a ton of stuff, but I don't know if I have like a traveling notebook in that style. And then continue on with the stickers. You get tons of headers. You get 2 sheets of headers. So, and these are all beautifully foiled. So you get the days of the week. So you're set for the whole month. And then you have just like some sort of, you know, borders are little strips, like washi strips with the moon, with the stars, the little eyelashes. I love this little constellation. Super cute. And then we get some quarter boxes. I mean, again, you get a ton here. Then we get these little, like, so these are kind of like her checkboards, you know, you can see them. You can, I like to put them in the middle of my layouts. Super cute. And that, like, my wheels are spinning. I'm thinking, what can I do? Now, these are actually 4 tabs, but, so you're supposed to take these out, and then you flip them over, like you fold them over like that, and you get a tab. I don't use them for that purpose because I am not a huge fan of tabs. I don't know why, but I just don't, you know, I can do without. So what I do, I usually trim around this side. When I trim around it, I create 2 little tiny boxes. And so I just like to use it. So what I'm saying is that don't, if you don't use tabs, like I don't, just don't worry about it. You find something else to use it for. And these are the cutest date covers ever. I mean, how adorable are these? They're little whales, and they have the days of the week. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. And then these are more kind of quarter boxes with all the galaxy and again silver foiling, beautiful, and more labels for your tabs. So if you're using those tabs, you can use these there, or you can use them anywhere. I would use them this as regular stickers. And this is what these stickers came in. So basically this was their backing for these stickers, like that. And so this is very nice, heavy cardstock, but actually I would use this. Actually, I'm thinking this cannot be a backing. This is too adorable, and is that all the foiling? This must be probably, this could be like a little page marker. Like this is a perfect size for a B6. So this is an adorable page marker, unless it is the backing. So I don't know, maybe I'm saying it wrong, sorry. I should have looked at the previews, but you know me, I never do check the previews. I just like the surprise. And then the last thing, and I hope I'm not killing you guys with these noises, it comes with this adorable little pin, and it's so cute. So it's like an enamel pin with a little bunny, and I love this blue. This is gonna go in my little pouches that I have for my oh, actually, this is a magnet. What am I saying? This is a cute magnet, but I guess it's a magnet pin, which is awesome. See, so because you know the other magnet, the other pin, sometimes they can, you know, maybe not work, but this is too cute, so you can use it. Yeah, you use it as a regular pin, but it's got a little magnet. Genius! I've never seen that. Super cute. And then you get a patch. Oh my God, this embroidered patch is too sweet. And it's got a sticker on the back, so all you have to do is put it, you know, on top of your travel notebook or wherever. So here is everything that you get in the monthly kit. Again, it's $25, including shipping. Pick your size, and you get it. And now I'm thinking, you know, if you want to see a setup of how I use one of our kits, I have posted, I think I have posted a video setup of this Pella Studio that I set up using one of our previous kits back in the summer, and it's my work planner. And so if you want to have an idea of how to use it, but if I do set up another planner, I need to find something that will go with this theme. I need to get my thinking cap on, because this is too cute not to do it. And I've actually never done a galaxy theme, but also, I'll be back next week, but I wanted to tell you, I am about to hit 30,000 followers on Instagram, which is mind-boggling, but I am going to have an amazing giveaway there when I do. So if you do not follow me on Instagram at PlanningFancy, I suggest you do, because I'll probably have it, you know, in a week or two. I will have an amazing giveaway. All right, guys, and I hope you liked this unboxing, and I will have all the information regarding Sam's kits below, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Bye-bye.